my dad changed the rules on me. Just all of a sudden made it really hard to score runs, really hard to take wickets. And I thought, well, this is unfair. Why are you doing this? And all he said to me was, if it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And that's something that I've carried through to now. I think it also can be transferred into leadership. You're going to have heaps of challenges. It's not going to be easy. But the way you face those challenges, face on, or however you like to face challenges, it will change you as a person and change you as a leader. As I said before, like, you're going to have so many different opportunities and so many different situations where it's not going to be easy. You're not going to have probably the perfect outcome, but it's how you deal with it. And you will make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. It's normal, but the way you learn from them, what you take away is what's going to make you a better person and a better leader.